If I could stop offering photography and just focus on other services, I would. Well, okay, that's an exaggeration. I wouldn't actually do that, but here's what I mean by that. In a lot of markets, not all, but a lot, photography pricing has become a race to the bottom. And you'll see it everywhere. Competitors are charging less and less, and if you're only focusing on photography, you're not gonna make fantastic money. Sure, you might have consistent work and make okay money, but let's be real, you're not gonna make great money. So with that in mind, you might be asking yourself, why should I even bother providing awesome photography services if I'm practically offering it for a loss? Well, my friend, the answer is simple. Good photography is the gateway to upselling more services. It's your foot in the door to bigger profits. What really dictates how much money you'll make doing real estate photography isn't just the photography itself. It's your ability to learn how to upsell and provide additional services once you've landed that initial client. Let's break it down. Say your market only supports charging $150 for photography. That's not a lot, right? But once you learn how to upsell, you can turn that $150 into so much more. For example, drone photos, that could be another $150. Floor plans, add 100, virtual tour, that's 200, listing video, 250, aerial video to add into the listing video, another 175, surrounding materials, capturing video of nearby locations to splice in, that's another $150. And if they want to be on camera for an intro or outro to build their personal brand, that could be another $100. But wait, there's more. They'll need a centralized location to house all these materials in, so you can sell them a single listing website for something like $99. And if they want a custom domain name like 123abcstreet.com, you can tack on something like another $30. Congratulations, you've just gone from $150 for photography only to $1,254 for a single listing. So that's what I mean when I talk about focus on these bundles. You might think that it's crazy, out of the way, like it's not possible for you to do it. But if you're stacking on multiple services, even if each service is a lower cost, the accumulation of all those services together is still going to be a higher price. And if $1,254 seems like way too much, you can tell someone in a conversation like, well, hey, all these individual services add up to be $1,300, but I'm happy to do it for you for $800 or $900 or something like that. Then they're immediately getting a $400 discount and you're like, oh, this guy's awesome. And then they want to use you for everything. At a glance, the full suite of services you can offer as a real estate photographer includes interior, exterior photography, listing videography, floor plans, both 2D and 3D, virtual tours using Zillow Tours or Matterport or Cloud Pano or all kinds of different stuff. You can do aerial photography, aerial videography. You can do twilight photos, twilight video, vertical highlight videos, vertical walkthrough videos, single listing websites, marketing kits, and even more like realtor headshots, branding spotlights, and brokerage commercial videography. When you create your service offerings correctly in your business and learn how to upsell them effectively at the right opportunities, you can expect tens of thousands of dollars flowing into your business. Photography is just the beginning. It's your way to build trust, showcase your skills, yes, but then open the door to bigger opportunities to upsell things like property videos for $400, $500, $600, social media videos for another couple $100. It's all the same stuff. All the additional services are where you're going to make your money. So if you're feeling stuck in the photography pricing race, remember, it's not just about the photos. It's about the full suite of services you can offer in your real estate photography business. Start small, upsell big, and watch your business grow. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, got some value from this, like this video, comment on this video, subscribe, stick around for more. This is kind of what I talk about really all the time, and you're gonna learn a ton of information here. If you want, you can join my Discord group. There's a link to join below. It's full of, I think, a couple hundred people right now, just all chatting and asking people questions, and I'm on there all the time as well. So that's all for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.